Finding a massage therapist is not difficult, but there may be many massage therapy centers in your area, and to improve your chance of having a good experience, you should do some research. If you're currently looking for pain relief or relaxation after a hard day's work, or you're experiencing chronic pain, here are 5 things you should consider before choosing a massage therapist. 1. Referrals. It's a good idea to start by asking for recommendations from your friends, family member, or doctor. Ask them about quality, availability, pricing, satisfaction, and more. 2. Their credentials. You need to make sure that every massage therapist you speak to has licensed and certified by your state. Good massage therapists should carry professional liability insurance as well. 3. Location. Try to find a massage therapist who is based in a location that is convenient for you. If you plan to see them regularly, then you won't want to have to drive for hours every time. You can also ask if they make outcalls to homes. 4. Your requirements. It's beneficial to understand your health status and set the goals for your massage sessions. There are different types of massage therapies, and you will want the one who can address your specific needs. 5. Communication. Choose the one who makes you comfortable and provides good communication. If you can't visit offices, phone consultation is a great way to know if they have a good attitude and truly care about your needs. Massage therapy can do much more than help you relax. It relieves pain and reduces stress and enhances your overall sense of emotional and physical well-being. If you're looking for a team of certified, highly skilled and experienced massage therapists who are qualified to evaluate and treat a wide range of conditions in a warm and healing environment, contact us today for a free consultation.